Have you ever wondered if a simple drink made from everyday ingredients could help support your kidney and liver health? Before we begin, here's something important. Your kidneys and liver already have their own natural detox systems. But giving your body the nutrients and hydration it needs can help these organs function at their best. Today, I'm going to show you a refreshing 3-ingredient drink that's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, and the best part is that you can make it in just a few minutes. But don't skip ahead, because at the end I'll reveal the ingredient that may provide the biggest nutritional boost in this recipe. Let's get started. You'll need 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 carrot, 1 liter of water. First, wash all your ingredients thoroughly. Next, peel the cucumber if desired and cut it into small pieces. Why cucumber? Because cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, helping support hydration. They also contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Now prepare the carrot. Peel it and cut it into small chunks. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. They also provide important nutrients that support overall health. Now for the final ingredient, the lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze out the juice. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps support your immune system and protects your cells from damage. Here's where everything comes together. Add the cucumber and carrot to a blender. Pour in the water and blend until smooth. Then add the fresh lemon juice and blend for a few more seconds. And that's it. You now have a refreshing drink loaded with hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants. You can enjoy it chilled any time of the day. Quick question: which ingredient do you think provides the most vitamin C? A. Cucumber. B. Carrot. C. Lemon. Leave your answer in the comments before I reveal it. The correct answer is C. Lemon. If you learned something new today, type health in the comments so I know you watched until the end. And if you enjoy simple nutrition tips backed by science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to take better care of their health. See you in the next video.